Hi everyone, today's headlines. Special fortnight immunization drive for children of 1 to 2 years. Nikki Sumi cadre apprehended with arms and ammunition at Chimukuduma. CBI files case against ex-NHIDCL general manager at Mokokchung. Nagaland reports 31 new COVID-19 cases and 1 death. 12 trade bodies urge Nagaland government to address its issues. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to meet US Vice President Kamala Harris today. News in details. Special fortnight immunization drive for children of 1 to 2 years. The Department of Health and Family Welfare Nagaland is holding special fortnight immunization drive for those children in the age group of 1 to 2 years who have missed out on their routine immunization due to COVID-19 pandemic. The department informed that this is the first round of the special drive that has been initiated from 20th to 30th of September 2021 and is ongoing now at all government health facilities. The department requested parents to avail this opportunity to vaccinate their child against vaccine-preventable diseases like polio, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, pneumonia, tuberculosis, measles, hepatitis B, rotavirus and rubella. For who have missed out, they can avail the vaccine free of cost at the nearest health center or contact their healthcare worker, it informed. Nikki Sumi cadre apprehended with arms and ammunition at Chimukuduma. Security forces in a joint operation with state police apprehended a cadre of Nikki Sumi group at General Area Chimukuduma, Dimapur District, Nagaland on September 19, 2021. The PRO informed that the security forces in a joint operation with state police apprehended a cadre of Nikki Sumi group and recovered 1.32 pistol with magazine and 2 live rounds of .32 ammunition at General Area Chimukuduma, Dimapur District, Nagaland. CBI files case against ex-NHIDCL general manager at Mokokchung. The Central Bureau of Investigation has registered a case against the former general manager of the state-owned NHIDCL at Mokokchung, Nagaland for possession of alleged disproportionate assets to the tune of around rupees 96.69 lakh and conducted searches at the premises of the accused and others, official sources said on Tuesday. CBI sources said that it was alleged that the accused general manager of National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, Bhagavan Das, during the period between April 1, 2015 and April 16 this year, has acquired huge quantities of assets, including movable and immovable properties. The NHIDCL under the Union Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has been executing various infrastructure projects in different northeastern states. Nagaland reports 31 new COVID-19 cases and 1 death. Nagaland reported 31 new COVID-19 cases on Wednesday, taking the state tally to 30,990 and active caseload to 456. The state death toll has increased. One more fatality reported in the last 24 hours, while 35 recoveries pushed the cumulative recoveries to 28,913. According to the Department of Health and Family Welfare, 19 new COVID-19 cases were reported in Dimapur, 5 in Mokokchung, 3 each in Kohima and Pek, and 1 in Peran in the last 24 hours. 12 trade bodies urged Nagaland government to address its issues. The 12 district chambers of commerce and industry have submitted representation to the chief secretary through their respective deputy commissioners, demanding the state government to readdress some demands which the Confederation of Nagaland Chamber of Commerce and Industry had termed as ambiguous. The government has made known to us that it will take up SARFAESI Act in the upcoming assembly, for which we are grateful. However, we reiterate our demand to call for special assembly to enact SARFAESI Act, since the implementation of this act is long overdue by nearly 2 decades in Nagaland, read the representation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to meet US Vice President Kamala Harris today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will on Thursday meet US Vice President Kamala Harris. This will be the first in-person meeting between the two leaders. Harris is the first ever person of Indian origin to be elected as the Vice President of the United States. Earlier, the two leaders had spoken over the phone during the COVID-19 crisis. Prime Minister Modi embarked on his 3-day visit to the United States on Wednesday. This is his first foreign trip in nearly 6 months and second since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. On his first day in the US, Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in a virtual global COVID-19 summit that was hosted by US President Joe Biden on sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly. According to the summit, the Prime Minister said that India shared its vaccine production with 95 other countries and with UN peacekeepers. That's all for now. To get the latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.